If you're serious about performance, then it's time to step up to the V60 Industrial Rotary Cutter from Virnig Manufacturing. The direct drive Eaton motor and 610-pound flywheel quickly clear thick brush and 8-inch diameter trees. The circular flywheel helps jump over stumps instead of catching and causing damage. 4 double-sided USA-made blades are forged using 5160 spring steel and are heat-treated for high-impact toughness. Add carbide teeth to help shred material for a better finish. Hydraulic braking protects the operator and provides a safer job site by stopping the flywheel within 10 seconds. Replaceable front skid shoes help protect the deck and extend wear life. Hydraulic pressure relief valves, motor guard, and spindle guard ensure reliability. Choose the path you want to clear with a 72, 78, or 84-inch cutting width. Weighing up to 2,490 pounds, the IRC is designed and built tough for many years of heavy use. Contact your dealer to start conquering the forest and shredding without mercy with Virnig's V60 Industrial Rotary Cutter. Smack the subscribe button for future content updates from Virnig Manufacturing.